All right, guys. The next thing that we're going to be removing here is memory modules. These are your two G.Skill Ripjaw 16 gig memory modules, and it's pretty simple process. What you want to do is you want to pinch these two notches on the side here, and what it's going to do is it's going to basically pop them out, and you should be able to just slide them out. If you have this much working space, it's pretty fairly easy. These are 16 gig DDR4 modules, and all you do is basically pinch the side and take them off. You can rock them to the side without hurting anything. So these again are your memory modules for this PC, and they're DDR4 Ripjaws G.Skills, and you can take a look at that. And that's what the memory modules look like. And I'm gonna go ahead and just for this video go ahead and place these back. You want to slide them into that bank that you had them on before. All you do is basically once it's in that, you're gonna press down firmly. This should click back in here. This is the latch that secures the memory module, and you should be good to go. You always want to make sure that you put it right in the slide properly, and once you press firmly down, you'll know it'll make a clicking sound, and this should have pop back up. And that's how you install memory on a motherboard.